This is me again. Basta na, done watching TVP All Edition. Right now, it's called, by the way, Meet Baby Mitch. And this one is my baby Pink Angel. This is my two babies. Especially two baby namin, Papa Mitch. Si boyfriend, remember. By the way, just add me at my FB in fb.com/Marjorie and just follow me in Twitter #143PrettyAngel and follow me again 143 in Mitch Joy. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.